The soundproof aluminum foil duct for fresh air systems is assembled with high-quality aluminum foil, PVC film, and glass wool, offering enhanced environmental protection. It is reinforced by internal and external spiral steel wires to improve the hose's strength. The integrated wrapped outer sleeve features no longitudinal seams, ensuring uniform thermal insulation and excellent soundproofing performance.